Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how you can use last data on your Instagram account. We'll begin by opening up your Instagram app. Once you have it opened, go to your profile page and then look over here on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Tap on those. And this menu will come up. Then on the very top, click on where it says settings. And then from settings, go over here to where it says account. Inside account, you see over here where it's gonna say data usage. So click on that. And then from here, use last seller data. And you can click on this option. So before it was gray like this. When I tap on it once, it turned blue. And what this setting does, it says over here, using last seller data may affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load, blah, blah, nobody cares. So this will use last seller data to download Instagram content. That's how you can use last data on your Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.